Would you like your property to be VIP of the week? Hi, I am Jasmine Amado, your manager of concierge services at Miami Realtors. I would like to introduce you to South Florida Commercial Property Search.com, a tool designed to enhance your exposure and overall experience. To have your property feature as the top property of the week, you would need a detailed description and clear photos of the property. But lastly, you must have an agent photo in the MLS. Continue watching for steps on how to add your agent photo.
Adding your photo to the MLS is easy. Log in, click to add edit, find the roster area, type in your license number, select to edit, click to manage photos. If you have an existing image you would like to remove, select and delete. To add a current one, browse, find your image, open, and you can now add your name and title. Click certify and save, and you're ready to go.